Hey guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do that droopy text that Escapism, Moonshadow, and I did. I'm going to just show you the version I did. I don't know exactly how they did it, but I feel like this is a similar process, so let's get right into it. I'm going to create a new composition. If it'll let me. Alright, so I'm just going to add a plain white background just so we can see what's happening. Alright, so I'm going to first start off by, we'll just type out the happier text, get the font, which is Grenade. There we go. Don't want the tracking like that. And make the H a little bit bigger, just for shits and giggles. We'll make this yellow, cause it's a yellow goddamn theme. Oops. Now I gotta find the right shade of yellow. Give me a goddamn second. I don't know why I'm so aggressive this tutorial, but here we are. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, so next, let me just center this. Scale it up a bit, just so we can see what's going on. Alright, so next I'm going to add a solid, and we will add, wait, hold on, not that solid. We're going to grab the color from the text, then make a solid. We're going to go to Effect, Simulation, I believe, and maybe it's not simulation. Huh. One second. I know it's called Blobilize. Maybe it's... Let me just look up the effect with the effects presets. Okay, never mind. I just looked and it is FXCC Mercury, or Mr. Mercury, to be more specific. You'll see, you get that gooey shit right there. Good, good. Now I'm just going to edit this so it kind of spreads all over. Okay, so I'm going to take the gravity off by making it 0, not negative. And for the light, I'm going to just take off the intensity so you get it, so it blends in with the text here. And there's way too much going on here, so we are going to get in here somewhere and start making things smaller. Maybe make things a little faster. You just have to play with this a little. I'm not a pro at this, so I might put a little bit of gravity so it's going down, kind of like it's dripping, but it doesn't look like it's dripping quite yet. So let's try and get this correct. It's not going in the right direction, so we'll just keep it at explosive. So I don't want to spend too much time fucking around with this. But let's see. I would spend more time making sure it looks how you want it to look. I'm not a pro at these settings, so, but I would use this because I'm lazy. So what I'm gonna do is put this in the pre-comp, untick this, and add a cool effect that I just recently found, AV Club. Let me browse the presets real fast. I used extreme orange and made it yellow because that's the theme. And I think the red and the green in the background is fine. And so you get that kind of gooey 60s or 80s look. I don't know years, but yeah. So you get something like that. I think it looks cool. If you want to use it in Happier Collab, I encourage you to do so. If not, use it somewhere else. It's fine. And I will see you guys next week.